Ladies and gentlemen and girls and boys of all ages, welcome back to the Achristopats Travel and Adventure channel. What have we here? Well, that is a faulty instant water heater. And what have we here? Well, that appears to be the new water heater. I've got the hoses connected, I've got the gas connected, I've got the electricity connected. And before I put the screws in, I thought I'm just going to go in and have a look and make sure it's working. So I went inside and turned it on, and wonder of wonders, hallelujah, hot water and lots of it. Now, having done this a couple of times in the last couple of weeks, it was a relatively simple task to pop the old one out and toss the old one in, and it's already been tested and it seems to be working just fine. So it's time to put the trim on, button it up, and put it away for the night. Thanks for coming along. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button if you would. That would help us a lot. Anyway, above all else, the most important thing to remember is keep tripping.